Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, I'm all about sharing my love for coffee and high-tech gadgets. Every product I review is something I bought with my own money, and I'm learning the ropes of filming, sound, and YouTube one video at a time. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Now, sound quality has always been super important to me, but honestly, I struggle to get it just right. I've been using a small Rode video mic on my camera's hot shoe and some budget-friendly lav mics, but I never been completely happy with the results. I always end up spending way too much time trying to fix the audio in post. That's why I decided to try something new. I heard amazing things about the Comica VM30 wireless shotgun microphone, so I ordered one. Today, I'm unboxing it and sharing my first impressions. Now, there are plenty of videos out there diving deep into the sound quality and technical specs of the Comica VM30, but I wanted to approach this unboxing from an everyday guy's perspective, not as a sound expert. After all, I think this product is designed for beginners like me, so I'm excited to see how it performs. All right, let's get into it. Wow. First thing I noticed, the microphone comes in a zippered hardshell carry case with Comica branding on it, and it's portable. I think this is a huge plus for me. Let's go ahead and unzip it. Wow, this looks awesome, you guys. Let's start with the microphone. And here's the wireless receiver. Goes in the back of on top of the camera or on the shirt or wherever. And here's the mount. Oh wow, it even shows which side is the front to put it on the hot shoe. This is super cool. The best part is, this is wireless. No reason to worry about wires or like struggling, oh my God, how am I gonna wire this? And here's the boom mount, I think. Awesome, it's all metal. Really cool. All right, what else comes with this? Oh, here's a foam windscreen. Goes right in here. Super cool. Check this out. Love it. It doesn't cover any of the buttons or the LEDs on top. Extra cool. All right. Here's a dead cat. I mean, come on. People saying they buy Rode mics, they don't even get this dead cat with it. I mean, how much is this to include? How big is a deal is that? Well, Comica has two kinds of it, foam and dead cat. And there's like a drawstring type of thing to tighten this up. I'm not going to be using this outdoors. I'm going to be using it here in my basement, so no worries about that. Let's see what else comes with it. Looks like a cable, a Type-C cable for charging. What does it say? Smartphone computer cable. Also allows you to connect allows you to connect microphone or this wireless receiver to a computer. Very cool. What else? Two cables. One of them for the phones and cameras. I think this is TRRS cable. Yep. And here's a TRS cable. This is also allowing you to connect to the voice recorders, audio recorders, as well as the cameras. Super cool. So you simply attach this to this little part to the cold shoe or hot shoe, and then connect this where it says out, and then plug this into your audio receiver or directly to your camera. audio recorder actually. Wow, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the microphone. It's a very well made microphone. Feels like all metal. Here's the gain adjustment in the back. There are no click sound or anything. It's just turns, which is awesome. Very quiet. From 0 to 10, the gain adjustment. And I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. I think if I keep my finger on the wireless icon button, it shows it. And wow, look at it. It comes with this tiny little OLED screen. I don't know if you guys can see it there. It's right here. Super cool. Nice little Comica logo in the back. Comica VM30 written in the front. Has like a paint drops on them, shiny. And the whole thing is made out of metal. Very impressive. I'll probably be using this like this, boomed from top. I like it. And here's the adjustments, 75, 150. I need to learn all this stuff, you guys. Sound is, I find sound is way more complicated than the video. Making video is easy. Sound and lighting is fairly challenging, but once you get it dialed in, you're golden. There's like a battery indicator over here. Let's go ahead and turn on the receiver too, because it's blinking, asking me to turn on the receiver. I like it that these things came pre-charged. Here it is, I'm turning on the little plastic receiver. By the way, this thing made completely out of metal, and this one completely out of plastic. Even the clip in the back. No magnetic connection option, nothing. So if you connect onto something, you have to use this little spring-operated clip. And this whole thing is made out of plastic. Has a very nice screen. You know, you can do gain adjustments on this one too. On-off button right here, plus and minus. And here's the charging port. Both of them, they have Type-C ports for charging. And there's a TRS out jack. And on top, there's out and headphone to listen to the sound you're recording. This is very cool. I'm looking forward to learn about this microphone. I think it's a great deal. I mean, I got it on sale. It was like $189. I think it's a really good deal comparing to some of the things that they sell on. As far as microphones goes, I mean, these things can go as high as $2,000-$3,000 if you go for the professional stuff, which I definitely have no idea how to even use it. So maybe down the road. All right, a user manual comes out of it. Very cool. I'll be reading this cover to cover, and I recommend you do the same. And a warranty card and some sort of certification from Comica with the QR codes and stuff. There's another version of this, Comica VM40. I was between this microphone and the VM40. I decided to go with this one. This fits my budget much better than the VM40. That one has something called 32-bit float, which I don't know how that works. What is that for? I need to learn. Maybe down the road, I'll upgrade this to VM40. But for the time being, I think this could be a perfect solution for me. I mean, way better than what I have right now. All right, that's it for the unboxing. First impressions, I'm really impressed. The build quality is great. It comes with everything I need to start with to record right away. I can't wait to test this out on my next video. If you want to see how it performs, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss my next video, where I'll be using this on my next video. If you enjoyed this unboxing, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with anyone who's looking for a great wireless microphone. It really helps to support the channel. And if you're interested in checking out the Comica VM30, I left a link in the description. It's an affiliate link, which means if you buy through it, it helps support my channel at no extra cost to you. So thank you. Finally, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Teo Steak video. Bye.